Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change date and time settings on a Canon camera. And to do this you will need to open a menu, then navigate to this page right here using a wheel and scroll down for date and time zone settings. Here you'll be able to change the date by clicking on, for example, day. And you can set it using a wheel. The same goes for time, and also on the bottom you can see the format, so it's day, month and a year. There's also option for daylight saving time, and you can change the time zone for a different region. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.